high-energy workout montage with upbeat music. Hey everyone, after an intense workout, your body needs the right fuel to recover and rebuild. That's why today I'm sharing 5 healthy smoothies that are perfect for post-workout recovery. Let's jump in. Our first smoothie is a tropical protein punch. For this, you'll need 1 cup of coconut water, 1 frozen banana, half a cup of pineapple chunks, 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, and a handful of spinach, which is optional for extra nutrients. This one's refreshing, hydrating, and packed with protein to help rebuild muscles. Next up, the Berry Antioxidant Boost. Here's what you need. 1 cup of almond milk, half a cup of mixed berries, like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, 1 scoop of chocolate protein powder, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds for fiber and omega-3s. This smoothie fights inflammation and helps your muscles recover faster. For all my chocolate lovers, this one's for you. Combine 1 cup of oat milk, 1 frozen banana, 1 tablespoon of natural peanut butter, 1 scoop of chocolate protein powder, and a sprinkle of cocoa powder for extra chocolatey goodness. It's creamy, delicious, and packed with the perfect balance of protein and carbs. Feeling adventurous? Try the Green Recovery Machine. Blend together 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, half an avocado, 1 handful of kale, 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, and 1 teaspoon of honey for sweetness. Don't let the color fool you. This smoothie is a nutrient powerhouse. Last but not least, the Energizing Espresso Delight. Perfect for morning workouts. You'll need 1 cup of cold brew or cooled espresso, half a cup of Greek yogurt, 1 frozen banana, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, and 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. This one gives you a caffeine boost while supporting muscle recovery. These smoothies are not just delicious, but they also give your body the nutrients it needs after a workout. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, or if you have your own go-to post-workout smoothie. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more healthy tips and recipes. See you next time.